You got me? All right. They got me let go on this thing. Yesterday was La Fortuna, and today is Tamandarundo. How do I pronounce that? Hold on. This is Tamarindo. Costa Rica, Tamarindo. Came to a street market down here that they're having a festival. Excuse me, sorry.
Hey girls, that's funny.
Hey, strangers.
Again.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it.
Have to get one. Good morning. Pretty out here. I think you may want to go on one of those boats down there. Let's see if we can make it happen. Now on the boat. The hotel it's over there somewhere. I don't know where, but it's over there somewhere. Been on this boat in the water all evening, afternoon and evening. Actually, it's from about 1 o'clock, and here's the sunset. End of another day. Tired. Shower, get this sand off me, and on to another day. This is Tamarindo. This hotel is the Wyndham, and it overlooks the beach and the ocean.
Just wanna be free to be me, give it good vibes. No stress or negative mess in my life,